Hello kids, come to Turtl TV, where we will explore together the diverse and interesting world of animals. Today, we will embark on a magical journey, taking children into the colorful and fascinating world of animals from all over the earth. Are you ready to explore with Turtl TV? Let's get started now! Do you know what these animals are? Peacock. The peacock is a distinctive-looking bird, with flamboyant plumage and a characteristically long tail in males. They often have bright colors, ranging from blue, green to yellow or red depending on the species. Males have more beautiful plumage than females, with white spots or bright colors on their feathers. Peacocks are often known for the beauty of their dancing during the breeding season, when they perform dances to attract a mate. They live mainly in sparse forests with dense vegetation, tall trees below 1,000 meters, primary forests and tropical forests, tropics and subtropics. Deer. The deer is a tall and slender animal, with characteristic horns growing on its head. They have short fur and colors suitable for their habitat, from orange, brown to gray. Deer usually live in forested areas, savannas and grasslands, and like to eat grass and leaves. Deer species can develop large and elaborate horns, especially in males, and often use them for competition or against rivals during the breeding season. Frog. Frogs are amphibious animals, distributed from high mountains to plains and even brackish water areas such as swamps, lakes, and ponds. The frog's identifying characteristics are its chubby body, moist and soft skin, and large eyes. They have well-developed toenails to jump long distances and catch insects. Frogs often have a variety of colors and patterns, from green and brown to orange and red, helping them avoid predators and keep themselves safe. Some frog species carry venom that can be fatal to humans. Duck. The duck has a short body, a round head and a flat bill. Ducks live mainly near water. They can live in lakes, ponds, rivers, and even in gardens and farms. They often like to rest and build nests on the shore or on the ground near water. A special feature of ducks is their ability to swim on water with high speed and flexibility. Ducks are also one of the most popular pets around the world. Used for food such as meat, eggs, and feathers are often used as coats. Goose. Goose is a large bird of the duck family, with a stocky body, long neck, and large bill. They usually have white or gray plumage, with orange legs and beaks. Geese live in many different environments such as lakes, rivers, fields and rural areas. They mainly eat grass, leaves, seeds and aquatic plants. Baby geese can forage and swim right after hatching. Geese are raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. They are intelligent, have the ability to recognize people and are highly alert, often raised to warn strangers. The lesson is over here. See you again in the next video. Please click like and subscribe to the channel to support Turtl TV.